We've been under construction for almost 8 months. We finished the foundation. Now we're starting to go vertical up. Because of the topographical change in where Heartsong's located compared to Dreammore, I was already on the top floor of Dreammore. So you think about going up the stories and into the guest space at Heartsong and Lodge and the views that people are going to be able to get when they're in their rooms. It's really going to be spectacular. And I just can't wait to walk them through the front door. It's a 4-story atrium looking through one of the largest fireplaces that you'll ever see in your life. It's really going to be very homey when you do that. And then you're going to walk beyond that enormous fireplace. It's a wall of glass that overlooks the mountains and a beautiful outdoor pool that's twice as big as the pool that we put in Dreammore. Man, it's going to be a great space to be able to spend time with family. There's so many different projects that take place. We're busy just in a really different kind of way. We're rushing to the finish line to try to deliver on all of the park improvements. This is the most exciting time of the year for me. I think about the energy that builds for opening day. It's none like any other time, that we have. I really am invigorated by the idea of everywhere we're going to go. Master planning our 148-acre site to include not only what Heartsong and Lodge will represent when we open in September of 2023, but we have master planned 3 more resorts and an outdoor campground. When I get the chance to see all of the excitement about our guests coming back, it's a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to this year.